Okay, Sounds of Decay 3, Amiensus. The album is called Reclamation Part 1. Labeled as progressive black metal by all the really smart people, but Amiensus offer so much more. The band is scattered throughout the U.S., Spokane to Chicago to Rochester, Minnesota, which makes the seamless flow of these ambitious songs even more impressive. Reclamation Part 1 is full-length number 4 for this five-piece that flirts with all manner of progressive instrumentation in every song. It's a long record, over 50 minutes long, but the cinema-like nature of the songs and abundant changes keep things from getting stale. 3 of the 5 members contribute guitars, but this is far from an April Ryan record. Assume the album is produced by the band, as there's no credit listed, but hats off to whoever did layer these lush songs together as they move triumphantly from clean acoustic segments to storming black metal workouts and back again with stunning alacrity.
In terms of comparisons, I am thinking fans of Opus, Saw for Eon, and or Wilderrun would settle into Amiensus sound quite easily. For example, the violin-like keys that start up, senses amplified. The clean, harmonized vocals are straight out of Porcupine Tree. There is a pretty lengthy bass solo at the tail end of the opener Blink of the Moment. It is an interesting choice, warm and melodic, and not something normally associated with the genre. The dramatic finger-picked guitar that kicks the sun and moon, offering yet another interesting sonic texture. But in terms of the heavier moments, Spoken Into the Will may offer the best strobe-like riffs on the entire record.
So there's slow-paced, like kind of chuggy stuff, and then there's speed where you're changing a lot of chords, but they do something that Sulphur Aeon figured out. If the drums go very speed up very quickly, but you keep playing the slower tempos, it just makes the sound huge. It just makes you sound like Lovecraftian. Yeah, they have figured this out. I love that. Anyway, this is another striking band that has accomplished quite a bit, despite our sleeping on them for like 14 years. Sorry about that, guys, but at any rate, this band pushes the envelope better than your most efficient FedEx driver. So check it out. This is Spoken Into Will.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.